Unknown fruit, custard apple. Custard apple is a common name for a fruit, and the tree which bears it, Annona reticulata. The fruits vary in shape, heart-shaped, spherical, oblong or irregular. The size ranges from 7 to 12 centimeters, 2.8 to 4.7 in, depending on the cultivar. When ripe, the fruit is brown or yellowish, with red highlights and a varying degree of reticulation, depending again on the variety. The flesh varies from juicy and very aromatic to hard with an astringent taste. The flavor is sweet and pleasant, akin to the taste of traditional custard. Native to South America, this oval-shaped fruit has a strange appearance but has a sweet reward inside. Just watch out for the seeds, they're toxic. The fruit has a custard-like texture and tastes like a blend of tropical fruits. In fact, Mark Twain loved them so much, he called them the most delicious fruit known to man. To eat, cut in half, scoop out the seeds and eat it raw, use in a salad, puree or in ice cream or a dessert. Cherimoyas are rich in vitamins A and C, iron, calcium, magnesium and have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, neuroprotective, anti-cancer and anti-obesity properties, Hem said. Custard apple, genus Annona, genus of about 160 species of small trees or shrubs of the family Annanaceae, native to the New World tropics. Custard apples are of local importance as traditional medicines, and several species are commercially grown for their edible fruits. Members of the genus are typically evergreen or semi-deciduous plants and cannot tolerate frost. The leaves can be leathery or hairy and are generally ovate with smooth margins. The unusual flowers feature 6 to 8 fleshy curved petals in 2 whorls and numerous stamens and pistils. The fruits are often scaly and succulent and are sometimes segmented. The fruit of the common custard apple, Annona reticulata, also called sugar apple or bullock's heart in the West Indies, is dark brown in color and marked with depressions giving it a quilted appearance. Its pulp is reddish yellow, sweetish, and very soft, hence the common name. Soursop, or Guanabana, A. muricata, sweet sop, A. squamosa, and cherimoya, A. cherimola, are widely cultivated worldwide. Alligator apple, or corkwood, A. glabra, a native of South America and West Africa, is valued for its roots, which serve the same purposes as cork. The fruit is not usually eaten fresh but is sometimes used for making jellies. The custard apple is native to the Americas, but has been found on the island of Timor as early as 1000 CE.